my name is Anand Ashok Patil. I am student of ICRA IAS and I have achieved All India rank 325 in the Civil Service Examination of UPSC in 2020. ICRA IAS has been my guide in this journey, and the experienced teachers like Awadh Oja sir or Anil Vajpayee sir has immensely helped me in my journey, and their contribution is important. And thanks for ICRA for being with me to achieve this success. Thank you.
Hello sir, good evening sir.
Good evening, Anand, Ashok. Good evening. Congratulations.
Yes sir.
Anand, you have such a grand achievement.
Thank you sir. Thank you
So
sir.
first
Thank you
of
sir.
all, a very big
Hmm.
congratulations from me.
Thank you sir. Thank you very much sir.
Now, how you are feeling, Anand?
Sir, I am feeling good sir. I am
Only
feeling
good?
very good sir. Sir, I am sir likely to become IAS sir because in physically handicapped category in India I am top. I am at the top sir. And
sure.
sir, yes sir. So I think I will get the IAS sir.
Definitely,
I think
you'll
that
get IAS.
yes sir. Yes
You'll
yes
get
sir.
IAS.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
What are the cadres you have filled?
Sir, for physically handicapped, the cadre is home cadre and side cadre, means neighboring cadre. So it is said that in Maharashtra there is no seat for open. So I think I would get neighboring states. Gujarat, I think I would get. Sir.
Gujarat, yes.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes.
Anand, you have completed such a grand journey and you have got such a big success. So I want you
Yes, sir.
something to share with the IAS aspirants, what they should do basically to strengthen their position in this preparation. I want you to say some tips about to the newcomers, to the new aspirants, what they should do initially. What should be the first step, second step, third step, fourth step?
Okay, sir. Sir, first step is preparing for basics and foundation. After that, sir, being consistent and giving consistent test on the topic so that we could refresh our knowledge and get the sharpness in the examination, sir. Also, sir, we need to also start to write answers, sir. A good answer writing gives good marks in the exam. So consistency in the answer writing is also important. That is there, sir. And being confident is also important, sir. And increasing our presentation skill in the mains is also important. I added about 110 marks in this third main, sir. In the yes, sir. About 110 marks I added, sir. So there is need of some innovation in the main, sir. Diagrams or flow charts using them is important, sir. I think.
Yeah, great. Acha, what were any interesting question you were asked in the interview board?
Sir, I was asked about Karl Marx, his philosophy, constitution, and means amending of constitution. After that, sir, on my hobby, that is interaction, they asked some questions, sir. Also, they asked questions on the MSP policy, sir, MSP and all those things, sir. After that, sir, they asked about drainage system, corruption, sir, corruption system, means how to tackle the corruption. That they asked, sir. After that, yes, sir. That was, I think, I remember. And at the going outside, means they said that tell me what is the principle of natural justice. So I told that the equals in the society should not be treated as unequals, and unequals should not be treated as equals. So I gave them an example that there is a pregnant woman and she is facing some problem, and there is a normal man. So you have to treat a pregnant woman preferably because she is facing problem, and that is, I think, the natural justice that I said, sir, to them.
Achha,
that was,
Anand,
I think, the last question.
Anand,
yes, sir.
you came to meet me in Bangalore with your sister.
Yes,
Before
sir.
interview.
Yes.
What is the difference
yes, sir.
between
Yes, sir. Before
what is
interview.
the difference between that Anand and today's Anand?
Sir, the tips you give are very important for a bureaucrat to become good administrator. Especially you give the example that the tiger lives alone and he does not communicate more and more. He has limited speech, and that worked for me, sir. means
No, Anand,
limited
Anand,
limited talking.
Anand, I'm asking about you. What is the difference? What is the
Yeah.
difference in you?
Sir, I am more confident now, sir.
Ah.
And I am more mature with that your advices, sir.
Acha, Anand, Mr.
Hmm.
Faisal and Ikra have
Huh, huh.
always been standing behind you right from the very beginning.
Yes, sir.
What is about your opinion about both of them?
Sir, Ikra has been very good course. The teachers like you are teaching very consistently on this. I have been following this Ikra for a long time, sir. There are very good faculties on this platform, and they teach very good. There is continuous assessment of the students. Continuous tests are there. Tests are of good quality, according to me, and that has been helping me, sir.
So you have to give a special thank to Mr. Shah Faisal for being assisting you everywhere.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
He was
Yes, sir.
always standing behind you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Anand, I will be coming to Pune next month. So I will
Yes, sir.
definitely come and meet you because I have to come and do the darshan of that Devi there in Kolhapur.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir. I will be there, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, Anand. Then I'll come and meet you there in Kolhapur.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay,
Most
Anand.
welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Most
Best
welcome.
of luck.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank